Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set task reminders in Hubspot. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to keep track of your tasks, this quick tutorial will make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hubspot website. You can type in the web address directly or just search for Hubspot in Google. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, usually at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. This is your central hub for everything in HubSpot, but today we're focusing on tasks. From the dashboard, navigate to the CRM section. That stands for Customer Relationship Management. The CRM is where all your task-related features live. Inside the CRM, find the Tasks tab. It's prominently displayed so you can easily manage all your tasks in one place. Click on it and you'll see a clean interface where you can create, manage, and complete tasks. Now, let's create a new task. On the task page, there's a button labeled Create Task. Click on it to open the task creation page. Here, you'll want to fill in all the important details about your task, the title, due date, and any notes you need. One of the key options you'll see is Reminder. Click on this to set up notifications that will alert you when it's time to work on your task. This is a powerful way to make sure you never miss a deadline or an important follow-up. After setting your reminder, take a quick moment to review all your entries to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, hit the Create button. This final step saves your task and activates your reminder, integrating it directly into your HubSpot task management system. And that's it. You've successfully set a task reminder in HubSpot. Setting reminders is a simple but effective way to stay organized and boost your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to get the most out of HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy HubSpotting!